Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my refrigerator. Well, we're going to be cleaning the refrigerator together. So I'm not going to waste any time. We're going to jump right into it. If you're ready to clean with me. So here's how the refrigerator is looking before. Here's the outside of it. And here is the inside. So I don't have that much stuff. I'm gonna go grocery shopping. But before I went grocery shopping, I decided that it's best to clean the refrigerator now while it's pretty empty. So the very first thing I'm going to do is basically throw away everything that I don't want or need anymore, or things that's expired. And then we're going to put everything that we are keeping on the side. I'm going to start on the door. Like I said, I'm going to throw away all these lemons. I don't need those. I got some garlic here. So here's how the refrigerator looks after I've taken everything out that I'm not using anymore. Well, I've taken everything out completely. And then I just have everything here on the counter real quick. And then I got some stuff in the sink that I'm going to pour out. So the next thing I'm going to do is take out anything that's removable so I can hand wash it. So I finished washing everything that is removable, all the drawers and shelves, and I'm just gonna let them drip dry real quick. I got a mix of Fabulosa and water over here. And then I'm going to just wipe down the refrigerator with the mix. So here's how our refrigerator is looking after it's all washed. Super duper clean. Now I'm gonna start putting everything back.